Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, the Wanted here with your song called Stay Another Day. And the original song is made by a group called East 17. Don't know if you remember them, but this is the Wanted's version here. So if you like the boy band style here, you should really stay for this one. It's a great song here, and we will do an easy tutorial for this. So we don't need any capo here, and we need to learn and look at 5 different chords. So let's start with the chords first. We have the D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have the A, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have the G major 7, so that is third on E. Then I mute the A here with my finger that I'm using on the third E, so I lean it on top of the A string, so that is muted. And then we have the open D, the open G, third B, and second E, like that. And the final chord will be A7, so that is open A, second D, open G, second B, and open E. Alright, so this one starts with one chord progression for the chorus here. So we're gonna look at the chords first, and the chords will be D. You're gonna play that 2 times, and then you switch to A, and then you have, of course, 1 A, and then you have 1 G major 7, and then 1 D, and then 1 A7, and 2 Gs. Okay, so that is how the song starts. It starts with one chord progression for the chorus. And this first chorus here, you're just gonna play 1 down. And what I would do here for this song, I would also give it not a clap here on the strings, just a hit here on the wood here, just beneath the strings, okay? So I would play down, down, because it was 2 Ds there. So down, knock, down, then A, then G major 7, then D, A7, and 2 Gs. Like that, okay? And that is the first part there. One chord progression for the chorus. Then starts the verse here, and the lyrics, don't you know we've come too far now. Okay, so let's first start with the chords here. It will be D, D, then A, then G, then D, A7, and 2 Gs. Okay, so 2 Ds, 1 A, 1 G, 1 D, 1 A7, and 2 Gs. And you will play in the same way as we'll just learn here for the first part of this chorus here. 1 down and 1 clap. This chord progression here, double D, A, G, D, A7, and double G. You will play that for 3 rounds, if you'll see that as one chord progression times 3. So let's go for a couple rounds. Another round here. Okay, so that is how you play the verse here. 3 rounds, and that's it. Then comes the, you can say, the second chorus, since we started with one part of the chorus in the beginning here. So this would be second, I guess. Okay, So the chords are now still the same as the chords we learned here in the beginning. So let's go through them pretty quick again here. We have 2 on D, the 1 on A, the 1 on G major 7, 1 on D, 1 on A7, and 2 on G. That is the chord progression here. But now for this course and for this whole course here, we will make use a strumming pattern here. So if we grab a D chord here, I will show you the strumming. So it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. And this clap would be best to do on the strings, like a normal clap we use here on Gordon guitar. So take a D here, and I will show you how it sounds first, and then we're gonna go through it. So let's go. Okay, that's one round. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, clap, down, up. So with the chord progression here, it will be 2 Ds, 1 A, 1 G major, 1 D, 1 A7, and 2 Gs. So it will sound like this. Down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up, A, G, G, D, D, A, G major 7, D, A7, and G. And so on. So for this chorus here, you will play 2 rounds of this chord progression. That's the chorus there. And I just want to mention there on the last chord here, when you played the G there for 2 rounds, there's a short break and then starts the verse. And then starts the second verse, and that will be in the same way as the first verse. The only difference here is we only play 2 rounds instead of 3. And on the last chord here, on the G, instead of just playing 2, down, clap, you here gonna play 4 times of this. Down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap. And that is the second verse. Then there's pretty much everything is repeated here for the rest of the song. We have a second chorus played in the same way, and it follows by a third chorus, or I guess third and fourth now, if we count with the first one in the beginning here. So yeah, never mind. 2 choruses right after each other. They're played in the same way as the one we just learned. And then we have a final chorus again. So it will be kind of 3 choruses right after each other. But on the final chorus, you will just use the technique from the verse with down and clap for all these chords here. Okay, so on the 2 following choruses right after the second verse, you play the same way here with the strumming pattern, and on the last chorus, the third here after the second verse, you play it down and clap for the same chords. And that's it for this song here, Stay Another Day by The Wanted. And I really prefer the Wanted's version over the East 17. But yeah, they're great both. It's a great song. So good luck with this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, so please do that. Helps me a lot. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.